Hi, this is Sukhpreet Bora. I'm working on my legislative strategies for sporting teams. Employers, nurses, employees can work all together to support this change. Employers can provide workplace violence prevention programs, implement administrative controls and training, provide education to the healthcare professionals on violent behavior, identify and solve organizational risk factors, for example, understaffing. Nurses can report workplace violation, educate others about it, support legislation against workplace violation, and follow ANA guidelines. And employees can use crisis intervention, hold post-incident meetings and debriefing, use employee assistance program and resources, aid ANA's advocacy by campaigning for the acceptance of a legal defense. There is no federal law currently for this workplace violation, but there was HR 1195 introduced by the Representative Courtney Joe. The bill has passed the House of Representatives. It has also been received in the Senate and read twice. Referred to the Committee on Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions. Certain employers in the healthcare and social service sectors and employers conducting related activities in those sectors to develop and implement plans to protect against and prevent workplace violence. Hospitals and skilled nursing facilities are also to comply with the new standard as a condition of Medicare agreement. Imposition of intergovernmental and private sector mandates by requiring facilities to comply with OSHA standards. Implications for the future. This initiative employees will reduce work-related stress. Workplace violence can lead to understaffing due to job dissatisfaction, burnout. That will increase sick days, leave of absences, and that does affect the other staff. This initiative will increase educational awareness, thus leading to more legislation and eventual prevention of workplace violation. And it will also improve the healthcare setting or working environment. The bad policies impair nurses' performance, the quality of care. It does increase conflict levels as well. So this initiative will resolve a lot of problems, hopefully, in the future related to workplace violence. A lot of people will get abused, every day. So hopefully, this bill can prevent a lot. Thank you.